Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a giant frisbee. If you'd like to see more pictures and instructions, you can check out my website, goodenoughandstuff.com. For the frisbee, you'll need fabric, flexible tubing, strong tape, a snap, needle and thread, scissors, and a sewing machine. It's gonna be awesome! Cut the tubing to the size you want your frisbee to be and then tape the ends together. Looks like I cut the tube too big for the size of fabric I have, so I'll have to add some to the side. I'm cutting the excess off the end of the fabric and then I'll use that to add some more to the side. I'm just measuring against the main piece of fabric to see what size I need, then I make a snip and rip down the length. Once you have your extra piece of fabric the right size, sew it to the main piece, right sides together. Rock on! You want to have at least 3 or 4 inches on the outside of your circle so you can hem and fold over the tube comfortably. Cut your fabric into a circle. Hem the circle all the way around. As you sew, allow the top part of the fabric to pucker underneath the presser foot. You can use pins to make it easier on yourself to pin it beforehand and maybe even iron, but I'm not a huge fan, and also we needed to get this done so quickly, so I just freehanded it. If you get a little carried away by sewing a little too straight, that's okay, just fold it over a little bit more. Just make sure that the bottom layer is nice and flat. Here's the hem done, but you'll notice that symmetry is not my strong suit. Now you want to fold it over the tubing and pin it. Leave a section unpinned so that you can access the tape area. Take the tape off and slide it into your sewing machine and tape it back up. I just got started and my dang needle broke. Okay, ignore what this looks like because I was making this up as I went and made a lot of weird choices to begin with. Just pretend this looks hemmed and not like a weird bedsheet. Sew all the way around close to the tube, but make sure to leave a section open so you can still access the taped part of the tubing. Take the tube apart again so you can slip it back out of your sewing machine. Now tape it back together. It's good to use electrical tape or duct tape because they are stretchy and they'll hold it together better. Here's where you can add a snap to close that section that was open, or you can sew it together if you want it to be more permanent. I added a snap so that I could take the tubing out if I want to, if I need to wash the fabric. I also was able to add it on the seam so that it's a little bit stronger. Take your needle and thread and sew that puppy down. If you want to make this sturdier than just using tape, you can take a small section of aluminum tubing and 2 screws. Fit the tubing into the aluminum and drill 2 holes. These are my husband's hands, by the way. Don't drill all the way through both sides of the tubing. Make sure to get screws that fit into it but don't go all the way through either. And you're done! Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my website, goodenoughandstuff.com, for more recipes, crafts, and tips for a happy home. Come back for another video. I'll see you there.